Well, we've made it and we are on our very first cruise. We're on Royal Caribbean's Mariner of the Seas, getting ready to leave here shortly, and we're going to share everything with you. Because we got the key, we got expedited boarding.
Not a key, but the key. That's the name of the program, right?
Didn't I say the key?
I think you did.
Yes.
So we're waiting to board. They don't have a boarding time quite yet, but I think we're getting pretty close. But hey, we have the key, as Amy said, and everything's expedited. So once we get on board, we get to, what do we get to do first?
We get to eat at Chops, I think is the name of the restaurant. So a special restaurant instead of where everyone else is eating, which I think gives you, I heard it's chaotic in the restaurant when you first get on. The normal restaurant, but the other restaurant I heard is quieter, and so we get to do that. But yeah, they have us like in a holding area or something right now while we wait to board.
Yeah, but because we have the key, expedited boarding and expedited security and everything was really great, and we saved a lot of time. So far, we love the key program. Royal Caribbean.
So now we can hurry up and wait.
Yeah, you're doing a good job. Slow down, this is vacation. Relax. We're getting on the boat. The key got us on first. So here we go.
We don't really know what we're doing because this is our first time, so we're just doing what they tell us to do. We're heading further down. There's the boat. It's huge and exciting. This boat is so big. Even each lifeboat is so big, which I guess is what you want. Oh, there's our balconies somewhere. One of those is our balcony.
One of those is ours.
Yay.
I hope we can get to ride in the lifeboats.
No, you don't. What are you talking about, weirdo?
They look fun.
Yeah, you don't get to ride in there. Not unless you have an experience that you don't want to have.
All right, here we go, guys. Look at that. Look at the water slide up there.
Big old water slide. This thing is so huge. It's like a mall. It's like a floating mall. Wow. Never done anything like this before. It's exciting. And a little scary, I think. We're on.
Oh snap, I have to take my pill.
I know, I was just thinking that too. Time to take the motion sickness medicine. Oh, there's a Starbucks. Hi. John's excited there's a Starbucks.
So I definitely think one of these bids, once we're out at sea, has to have my name on it. We are so lost. We have no idea what we're doing. No idea where to go. The swimming pool. Shower. Look at that gigantic hot tub. So we're in the elevator, and I think they change the carpet out every day, like for real.
In case you're having trouble knowing what day of the week it is, all you have to do is get on the elevator. And we have found out it's Monday.
It's Monday.
But we'll be sad on Friday.
Oh yeah. To the left.
Okay, let's go.
To the right over there, or to the left?
What's that?
Probably to the right.
Services, yeah.
We are so lost.
We are so lost.
We're lost. This is yeah. We have no idea where we're going. We've gone to multiple levels.
Like 8 times. So we've been trying to drop off our luggage because we have the key, and with the key they will take your luggage for you, so you don't have to carry it around. But
we've carried it around a lot.
Because they keep telling us to go to the theater, but we cannot find it. We found it, but you have to like go past it and then go back.
So
down.
we're on level 3 now.
Now we're going down to
But we have to go up to level 4, and then we have to go down to the other side of the boat, and then back down to level 3.
And then we have to go to level 13 to make reservations, and we had to come to level 5 to talk to guest services for Wi-Fi.
And then level 11 is our lunch that we're supposed to be arriving at any moment now.
And level 6 is where we stay.
And level 13 is an escape room that we're trying to book.
15.
Oh, 15.
Well, 13 is the box office for the escape room, but level 15 is the actual escape room.
See, here's the situation. We've been on every level, and we have accomplished nothing. So all I know is I am here. Yet I don't know what here is. Oh, so we need to go over here. There's the theater.
There's the theater, but you can't get to
But
it
there's
from level 3.
the boat is cut in half, and so we can't get there from here.
You can see level 3, you just can't get to it from here. You have to go up to level 4 and cross over and then back down to the other side of level 3.
This entire situation is like a big giant escape room. Going up. See?
At least we know that it's Monday.
It is Monday. So we're going up. Here we go. This is the art gallery right out here.
We've been through the casino, we've been through the art gallery, we've seen 2 theaters, we've been through mini bars, restaurants, the pool. We've been by the pool.
So now see, we've been here before. Oh. See, this is where we're eating lunch.
Yeah, okay, keep going.
Oh yeah. Time's of the essence. Oh yeah, I gotta go through the casino again. Smells smoky in here. Don't like that. So this is our second round. We've done everything in the boat once. Now we're doing it again.
I have been where they told us to go because remember I came through here and went downstairs.
Oh yeah, they weren't open yet.
They weren't open yet. That was the issue.
Here, you like that thing right there? You play that in the arcade, except this is with real money. Look at that.
The Wizard of Oz. That's what I play. Oh yeah, I see how you can spend a lot of money playing that.
Okay, now we get to go down again. We will get there. We will.
Okay, back down to level 3. We were on 3, we came up to 4, but now we have to go back down to level 3.
So here's the theater. This is where we're supposed to drop off our luggage. I don't know why we would drop off our luggage at a theater, but nobody's here. Again.
I say we just go upstairs to 13, make our reservations, and keep our luggage with us.
I paid for this privilege and I want to drop off my luggage. But I might not be able to. Is there really nobody here? Royal Caribbean is the way to go, except it's super confusing. This is what I get to drag around now since I can't drop it off. And I'm carrying something on my back.
There's no 13.
Okay. We can't get there from here either.
I'm going to 12.
Go to 12. Oh my. And it's hot. There's no air conditioning.
It's hot when you're outside or when you're in the elevator. The rest of the place is air conditioning. Air conditioned. I don't know. It's so confusing.
Super confusing, Royal Caribbean. What the heck? All right, off you go.
Now, how do we get to level 13?
Escape room left. Is that where we're going?
No, but that's level 15. We have to go to the box office on 13.
How do we get there?
I don't know.
Oh, now we're on the top of the boat.
Said it's by the rock climbing wall.
All right, so we got our we got on the internet, so that worked out, and we reserved our escape room.
Yes, that was one of the main things we were
On the
wanting to do. So we did that on the app. Now we're gonna go to lunch, and then I don't know. We really don't know what we're doing. We don't know how to know when our room is ready or anything. So we're just kind of we're figuring it out.
I'm so frustrated. I want to jump in the ocean, but I'm not gonna.
Let's go eat.
Look, there's Disney Cruise. There's Royal Caribbean. I think that's Norwegian over there.
We are Royal Caribbean.
Oh no, I didn't mean that. I meant Carnival, Disney, and Norwegian.
And the Disney one is massive. I'd like to do Disney one day.
Yeah, one day. I think this boat might be as big as that one.
It is pretty big.
All right, off we go to lunch.
Please wash your hands. Wash, wash, wash. Wash your hands and feel so good. So good. Please wash your hands.